Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Cresta here. It's Friday. Happy Friday. What's good? What's doing? Let's do this thing. Let's make some more game dev. So we fixed and finished the end game screen last night. That is done now, which is awesome. We need to make sure that we add the extra XP. When does that happen? When does that typically happen? Where's the save? Global manager and card XP. Okay. Why is it, when does it save it? Okay, so we're going to add the XP. And then we have a thing for save levels, don't we? So the card that we done. Force concede. Save card levels data there for the XP. That's odd. Okay. That's gonna go inside. Inside here. Make me stack. Add card XP. F game turn manager. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. That needs to go for this. Open stack cards happen in the visualization manager. End game. There's some force concede. Full force concede. Okay. If game turn manager turn number. That should fix that. Now we can go here. We can go literally this, force concede. The force concede is false, so it won't work. Right? When does it get set to true? Cool. That's a variable. Even easier. Okay, so that should fix that. It should save everything. What is the next thing? Okay. What else do I have in my thingamajig? Let's play this real fast, that way I can. Oh, we need to make a collectible. We need to make a combined collection level screen, so we can do that next. That's a pretty important thing. Let's see here. The swabs. You want to give me something good? Not good. Bummer. Right. Cards are going to the opposing side. The power isn't when the card moves in this realm, it doesn't move its power. I think when that gets moved to the opposing side. Does that happen with Rapunzel also? It must. It must happen with Rapunzel. Game UI, Nation's Middle. It says there's a fox here. Fox is owned by the opponent still. It's not owned by you anymore. Okay, so because of that, it's literally saying that this location, the player owns Michael Swabian. Okay, so it's not that. Alright, so this is backward. Oop, I took too long. Kind of funny. Magic mirror. What's up, Bobby Lou? How you doing? Good to see you. Huh? Dark in here. Gatekeeper. Okay. Hey. Am I gonna win this match? No, I have Master Schultz, so maybe. +1 attack for each Swabian in his name played this game. 1, 2, 3, 7. Well, 1 middle. 7 won't win me there. Oh, it might, because of Marley's buff. Sorry. This might win me this. Oh, maybe not. I would test that. Oh, we tied. Oh, we tied, but oh, we know we lost in cooking. Oh, how did they do that? Okay, so we clearly have issues here, right? The issues are. Oh, I meant to take a picture of that. So we have an issue in the cocaine, or however you say that realm. They have an issue in that realm. Ooh, mystery chest. Bearskin. Water Nix. Time shift cards double their abilities. That's +2, +3. Why does it say 8? Okay, so your green needs to be. Alright, Bugs, Yergli, Swabian doubles its ability. What else? Isn't just Yergli. Okay. Only on the turns played. Only on turn it's played. Okay. Does not give control of moved card to player. New player. Rapunzel doesn't also. Sure. Oh, I had a 6 cost mana for 0, didn't I? Oh no, I had a full hand. Oh, that sucks. Oh, wait, no. I'm sure. Alright, so turn 5 I didn't play. I forgot about the rope. When the rope makes noise, it'll be different. That's for sure. It's down here. Out of the way. Master Shoals. One. Didn't update. It's annoying. Okay, well this is the end screen. So, combined level collection screen. So that should probably exist in its own scene, possibly? Maybe. You're back, guys. Alright, we're back. Okay, so combined collection screen should maybe be it could be its own thing. So let's add a okay. We're definitely gonna do a combined collection screen, but let's add a hide button so you can go back and review the match as well. Right? Game XP panel. So, if I were to go and do blocker here, so if I were to add another menu button, put it over like this, attach it to it, put it behind it. Okay. We're gonna call you hide. We're gonna do a much smaller font. I think 35. Okay. Menu. So you went manager, send it back to menu. Send it back to menu. So that we're just gonna just hide this. So hide in we're gonna do. What CCGs do we have? The card CG. I'm gonna hide this guy. What's the name? I'm gonna hide the image on. We're gonna hide card block. We're just gonna hide the parent of this. This is gonna be this. Transform that parent. Set active false. Okay. We're gonna show trigger show end game button. Then we'll have a public way to show game stats. That's just going to do this. That one. That's it. No, you know what? It's going to be the end game XP. Two-card CG to do fade. 0. We trigger shoving game button. Okay. And then we do this. This shows him back on again, right? This call showing game stats. The end game button. Okay. So this hide menu is going to be hide end game stats. Okay. It's gonna hide this guy. Here. What it's gonna do is it's gonna also create another button that is 2 here. Just say show this. This is gonna be a different button. This is show this. This will say show. And spring. There we go. Okay. That button doesn't exist at all until show it. And this is show end menu. It becomes, instead of hide, this becomes show. Okay. And then we just need to trigger that trigger button. Trigger showing game button. Not this. It is instead like show end game. Okay. What's up, Dragon Spirit? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Happy Friday. I'm doing wonderful. We're very close to that Kickstarter now. If you guys don't know about the Kickstarter, it's right here. You can check it out. It's really cool. We are one away from 190. We're very close. Pretty exciting. So, getting somewhere. most likely going live this month. So when we show the in-game stats, this goes false. It's showing game. This is the trigger for this guy. Okay, game UI. Okay. Also, when you do this, we need to make sure that XP card interactable is false. It doesn't block raycasts. We gotta make sure that this is true. Cool. Getting there. Should be able to show and hide this thing now. Let's see. Let us see. We play a card that's from the Kickstarter of last man and draw a card. We're gonna try that. We're gonna put it in a new font now too. Draw a card. So that was a one-mana draw card, so now I have two of them. All cards played in this game cycle essentially. Okay. Didn't those cycle patches. What cards played this game? We're playing the Custodian and not second tangent. That's annoying. Is it one of the only one I played here? I serve it. Wow, that blight burst was brutal. I get extra buffs even if they die. Like I said, you're still close to the Kickstarter campaign, so you can't afford doing it yourself to promote for sure. Well, I appreciate that. Oh, that was... Okay, cool. That works. You can go through and you can look at stuff still. You can be able to hit and turn them. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now the card disappeared from the thing, and I don't know why. Anyway, all right. So it feels good that you can show and hide the end screen as well. Love those organic looking graphics on left and right. Yeah, they look sick, right? Our UI artist killed it, man. He absolutely killed it. These guys? These are cool, yeah. Hit them a lot. Let's see here. An apple? Yeah. So because it's a Grimm Fairy Tales, right? So it's a poison apple is the intern button. There is spell pages. This is a table. It's literally a table. With all the mahogany cracks in it and stuff like that. Gold coins. Yeah, there's a lot of little details in this. Like, it's very cool. Yeah, so it's a poisoned apple that glows. So you click on that. That's your end turn button. Alright, so so we got that working, which is cool. Do we need to work on it? Were there any bugs that I need to look at? Oh yeah, Yurgly's Swabian's ability double. Yurgly. Good spell. Yurgly Swabian. Okay. Yurgly Swabian plus 3 attack. Because it happens to 2 different spells. It needs to make its mind up. Right? So it literally happens inside the callback here. Or that'd be on play activate. So I need to pick one. Right? And I wanted this to be in the same spot as Piff Path, most likely. So if it's in the same spot as Piff Path Poultry, then we don't need to worry about. Like, here's Piff Path's spot right here. Right? So if I disable this one, does that update his ability? Does update his thing? Also, let's look at the when you play a roam at game. Play a roam here. Okay. Move card to other side. Card on the other side. Add card to opponent. Remove from player cards. Okay. Change ownership. Owner deck. So that's that, right? So owner deck needs to equal game turn manager, other deck, and it's gonna be other deck based on the current this. That's the first issue. This shouldn't be completely. It shouldn't be. That might fix that. Alright, let's see if I fix Yurgly's Swabian's ability. Beetle Cave is one of our new realms. It shuffles 5 beetles into each player's deck and turns the game to nighttime. Hopefully I draw a beetle and you can see what the beetle does. There it is. There's a beetle right there. So a beetle, if it's currently dusk plus 2 attack power, it's a 1/3. It's a 1/3. Or it's a 1/1 that if it's nighttime it's a 1/3. So now it benefits you to not play cards that change it. 4 cards. That must be a couple beetles. Oh, the Dark Omen. Bomber. You get to play it first. Okay. We also need to establish who reveals first as well. Ah, Strange Village. Bomber. Okay, so those guys all have the same ability. Here's Yurgly. Here he is. The Servant. Red Riding Hood. Okay. There are no cards played on this side at the same time. So hard to tell. We won this location, and they can't do anything, so we can do nothing there. King of the Birds. 4. Are there any rules for this type of game? I mean, it's said that this is how they work, because they do something like this, for example, Marvel Snap, where the first lane's revealed, and then later you know the effects of the middle right lane. Are there any rules for... So what do you mean by rules? Because Marvel Snap is absolutely a influence on this game. Part of its ingredients that make up the game. However, we do have a similar health and attack system that Hearthstone has. What do you mean by rules? Golden Princess. Whenever a card's destroyed, you 0 draw a card. Shoot, it took too long. King of the Birds. Why me? She's so strong. Okay, turn 6. So you're unconfirmed if I fixed Yergli yet, because he hasn't played any cards there. Dylan has not played any cards there at all. Okay, so we are currently winning this one. We need to put the most amount of power down possible. So I think we do Vitally and Alera. See, look, there's you don't even see it over there. Yeah, I think Vitally and Alera. Mouse. Wicked Queen. Okay, so it did work. The ability still worked. So we still won. And you can hide it and show it. I was wondering if there's like a set of things that this has to have, because for example, for Tetris, there are an entire set of rules you have to put in your game to call it a Tetris clone. Well, this is not a Tetris. This is not a Marble Snap clone. There are many things that exist in this game that do not make it Marble Snap. There are, for instance, 1, the game is completely full screen and not portrait. 2, the game can the characters can lose health and their attack becomes 0 because cards can die. There's a thing called time shift in this game, which also affects cards on the field, like beetles from the Beetle Cave, as well as cards that actually have time shift abilities that change the game from day to night. The end screen picks 2 cards. They both get 1 experience. They can level up. I don't know what the second card is right now. Who knows? But there is, I mean, we are doing the similar collection level thing to unlock cards. This is the easiest and best way to do it. But it's going to be based on the total. It is based on the total collection level, but you don't have to pay to increase your collection level. But you don't need to buy your collection level with credits. You can if you want to unlock cards faster. Good morning. Who dat? Okay, so, but yeah, that's what we're currently at with that. I'm happy that I fixed Yergli's bug because he was annoying me. We don't know if we fixed the realm. Also, I think our cards have more depth than Marble Snap because they have the ability to get hurt. So there's an entire mechanic around it called Fury, right? At the end of each turn, this card loses 1 health. Fury, when this card gets hurt, plus 3 attack power. Right? We have cards like Briar Rose that discards your highest and lowest mana cards when she gets hurt. We have Iron Hans. Like, we have so many things in this game that are different in the way that they act. Like Rapunzel. It was one of the basic cards in the game, but she steals a card from the opponent. I don't think there's any card that does that in Marble Snap. I know you can give a card to the opponent, but I don't think you can steal a card. So, and we have cosmetic variants as well. It's how the game's gonna make money, to be completely honest. But we have 130 something cards in the game already, so we are getting there. We are getting there. Let me play Quest. I didn't know his deck. Just wondering because of some things I saw. No, it's good practice for me as well when we go to play NYC about what makes this game different from Marble Snap. And instead of hesitating, I can exactly talk about why. Right? So it's good practice. Okay, that's the same compared to Hearthstone, but I do not know how to call that type of game because it is for sure not the run-of-the-mill CCG. The game is inherently a collectible card game. So Hearthstone is a collectible card game as well, and so is Marble Snap. And Magic the Gathering is a trading card game because you can effectively give people new cards and they can give you new cards. Literally, the only difference between collectible and trading is you have to be able to trade it. It's literally the only difference. So yes, we're in the same boat as Hearthstone and Hex CCG and Marvel Snap and some other games. We basically took all the good stuff from each game and slammed it all together. Right? So this is a Noah's deck. Noah's is a very strong card. So this is someone directed someone to your stream because it was making a TCG. It was a TCG? Yeah. So Noah's is a very strong card. He takes cards like this that have no ability. Right? The Peasant has no ability. Down Mouse has no ability. He takes cards like this and buffs them by 4 attack. So let's play the Beggar Woman. Ooh, the end game ends after turn 5. That's new. So hopefully we can draw Noah's before turn 5. Oh, never mind. You ain't gonna draw a card this turn. Okay, so we are going to play Long Lawrence most likely. Strong card. Look at the new Sleeping Beauty art, guys. Look at this. Dude. So good. Right? Like, so pretty. Unreal. Okay. Snake Prince? No. Snake Prince is a bad idea, especially in the Torture Chamber. This is a rough match. Okay, so... play Godmother Toad. Godmother Toad's gonna go here. I don't think we're gonna get Noah's this game. I think it's gonna be, you know, if we do, it's gonna be very lucky. On-play effects do not activate this round. Bummer. Here he is. We got him. Your cards with no effects gain +4 attack power. So it's pretty strong, right? He becomes like a last turn burst card. What we can play is we can play Town Mouse. Play Town Mouse here, and we'll play Peasant here. This should guarantee us a win for next turn. Oh, against Aircross. Yeah, because +4, so that's +8. Struggling here to keep my mind on working. I was trying to create the mechanics for Pixel Art Drawbridge last Monday, and all I want to do is continue with it. Well, that's working for me, so I feel that. Alright, so Death's Messenger is a channel ability. Cards with time shift gets +2. We don't have anything. But we could play Swan Maiden for the big 9 attack. Honestly, anything with more than one health here will still be okay in Torture Chamber for this turn, because the game ends. So, we play Noah's, but we play... oh, Snake Prince could work. Snake Prince is going to get a big buff. No, wait. Noah's has to go on this side. Okay. Look at that buff. Oof. Oh, shoot. Our snakes only have 1 health? Okay, I have 1. Oh. I didn't know that our snakes only had 1 health. That's kind of funny. So, I thought snakes were a 2 health thing. I messed that up. I need a way to see that. But yeah, so our Noah's came in with a big +4 for us. And it, looks like it doubled it at one point, somehow. I don't know how it doubled it, but it did. 3-7-11, 3-7-11. It doesn't make sense. Like we would have won even if it didn't double it, but I don't understand why it did. I don't understand why he's at 13. So Noah's doubles attack right now, right? If you ever come for promotion or something to the Netherlands or even Belgium or Germany, you have to let me know so I can come meet you. Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, I would love to go to a DreamHack or a, oh, what's the other one? What's the one in, isn't there one in Netherlands that's a game convention? It all depends on this Kickstarter and if the game is successful. If the game is successful, we're going to be showing it off for a while, right? It all comes down to that. Let me take a look at this card. Noah's gave you 8. Okay. That's not how that works. Noah should be giving you 4. Gamescom, that's what it was. Gamescom. What did I call it? DreamHack? Oh, DreamHack is the esports thing. I was close. So Noah's is giving too much attack. Card. Knowist plus times 4. Okay. Extra knowist attack plus plus. Wait, okay. The knowist is how many knowist there are from the game. Extra attack knowists. Why would this be 2? This would be 2 because knowist attack plus plus. Wait, what? Extra attack is based on how many knowist there are times 4. That was backward. Knowist dot count. We'll do a Follow Friday stream edition again next week. There are way too many cool streamers here on Twitch. Sweet, man. Appreciate that. Today is Friday. Oh, you mean next week? What's the point of this? Do I need to know what the point of this variable is? Extra attack. No, you know what? This needs to go instead right here, right? Because that's the issue there. Is it's saying, hey, does this knowist have active channel health? Okay. If so. So we need to check this. This is equal to, so, okay. So this number. So this is, for each knowist attack plus equals 4. Right? Then we just do extra knowist, come on, you can type grass, you got this. Extra attack knowist equals extra knowist attack. That's confusing. Okay, so that fixes that? You do super long list of Friday. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Does that fix that? Extra attack knowist equals extra knowist attack. Okay, so if we have a 0 attack, right? And this is every time that that we update their attack power. Like, this needs to only exist if knowist is greater than 0. Right? If we don't do any of this logic, if this number is not greater than 0. So if knowist dot count, you can do it, grass. Greater than 0. There we go. Boom. Look at that. These things would you start getting when you need multiple names, the same type of thing. Yeah, well, no, this is the amount of attack you gain. This is the attack stat. This is the card's name. So it gets completely confusing really fast. Although I think I fixed that. I'm not trying to double the amount that they get. And what was happening was there was too many hands were in the bucket. Now there's only one hand in the bucket. So I think we should be okay now. So I think I can update that as well. Knowist double attack. Okay. The whole double attack thing has been like quite the thing. Excuse me. Alright guys, gotta get the kids ready for school. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Much appreciated. Live again tomorrow. Let's see if we can go on a streak and stream every day. That'd be neat. Let's see here. Let's go over to... We're gonna go over to. So have a great day, YouTube bud. Talk to you soon. Enjoy your weekend. Let's go over to Acer Ash. Acer Ash is a super cool dude. Making some pixel art. Love this guy. Here's the message, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good rest of your day. Enjoy your Friday. See ya.